Alright guys, I'm adding my salt. And then I'm gonna get my rice in, guys. I'm using 2 pounds rice today, guys. Which I already washed it. And remember guys, we're making the yellow rice. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my yellow coloring for my rice, which is called Amarillo. But that's the brand right there guys, as you see. So I have my teaspoon, which is a kid's teaspoon. I want to get it out on it. As you see guys, you can see the coloring of it. We need 2 of these for 2 pounds of rice. Each time we do the rice guys. So anytime you see the rice have these type of color guys, it's Amarillo. Alright guys, I'm gonna add my butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons butter. As you see, the color is started to come to form guys. As simple as that. Some people use curry. I never have tried a curry rice before. You guys could curry it, but Amarillo. Anytime you see the yellow rice, they use Amarillo. It's a food coloring guys. So I'm gonna color it, mix it up for you guys, so you guys could get a understanding and compact your knowledge with the yellow rice. Look at my rice guys. Beautiful. That's color right there. That's color. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Like, share and subscribe. That's my colored yellow rice. Alright guys, that's the finished product of the yellow rice. And the ingredients that I use guys, as you see, I use Amarillo and butter. I use 2 teaspoons of the Amarillo. And that's how you're gonna get it perfect like that guys. It's shelly right through. So stay tuned while I have the food plated guys. Yes guys, as you can see, I have my juice, which I did go ahead and blend. So I'm gonna do a taste test for you. We have to give 1 minute of silence, guys. And that's the result. I have nothing to say, guys. That's the result of this juice. I have no comment. All right, guys.